Welcome to Consumer Times, where we talk about important issues that affect you and the environment. Today, we'll discuss sustainability in organic farming and its crucial role in combating pollution. Before we come to the main subject, organic farming and sustainability, combating pollution for a greener future in the face of rapid environmental degradation, soil depletion, and an explosion in pollution levels. Please like, share, comment and do not forget to subscribe our channel by clicking subscribe button to motivate us. Moreover, the urgency for sustainable agricultural practices has never been greater. Organic farming, which emphasizes biodiversity, soil health, and ecological balance, stands out as a potential solution to mitigate pollution, restore ecosystems, and contribute to sustainable food systems. By adhering to principles that avoid synthetic chemicals and promote natural processes, organic farming offers a pathway to reduce pollution caused by conventional agriculture while fostering resilience against the pressures of climate change and environmental decay. To understand the significance of sustainability in organic farming, it is crucial to first examine the environmental impact of conventional farming. Over the last century, industrial agriculture has been marked by a heavy reliance on synthetic fertilizer, pesticide, and herbicides, all of which contribute to pollution. The runoff of nitrogen and phosphorus from chemical fertilizer into rivers and oceans leads to eutrophication, causing harmful algal blooms and dead zones that drastically reduce marine life. Moreover, pesticide used in conventional farming seep into groundwater and air, harming not only ecosystems but also human health. Conventional farming methods also rely heavily on fossil fuels, contributing to air pollution and greenhouse gas emissions. The overuse of irrigation, coupled with soil-depleting practices such as monoculture, has led to the degradation of arable land and the depletion of water resources. These practices increase the environmental footprint of agriculture and threaten long-term food security. The pollution explosion refers to the escalating levels of air, water, and soil pollution due to human activities. In the agricultural context, this explosion is largely driven by the overuse of agrochemicals and unsustainable farming practices. The consequences are dire. Over time, the accumulation of chemicals in the soil reduces its fertility, disrupts microbial activity, and destroys beneficial organisms like earthworms and insects. Polluted soils cannot support healthy crop growth, leading to a vicious cycle of increased chemical inputs and declining yields. Agricultural runoff laden with fertilizer and pesticide is a major source of water pollution. These pollutants contaminate rivers, lakes, and groundwater, affecting both aquatic life and human populations. The excessive use of water in irrigation depletes freshwater sources, further exacerbating the water crisis in many parts of the world. Air pollution. Agriculture is responsible for significant emissions of nitrous oxide, a potent greenhouse gas, as well as ammonia, which contributes to the formation of fine particulate matter, PM 2.5, that pollutes the air. The burning of crop residues, a common practice in many regions, further adds to air pollution, particularly in densely populated areas. Organic farming addresses many of the root causes of pollution associated with conventional agriculture. By avoiding synthetic chemicals and emphasizing sustainable land management practices, organic farming reduces the environmental footprint of agriculture and promotes long-term soil health and ecosystem resilience. The cornerstone of organic farming is the avoidance of synthetic fertilizer, pesticide, and herbicides. Instead, organic farmers rely on natural methods to enhance soil fertility and control pests. These include composting, green manuring, crop rotation, and the use of beneficial insects to manage pest populations. By eliminating chemical inputs, organic farming significantly reduces the risk of soil and water pollution. Organic farms do not contribute to eutrophication or toxic runoff, which helps protect aquatic ecosystems and water quality. This shift towards natural inputs also reduces air pollution, as organic farming does not rely on the energy-intensive production and application of synthetic chemicals. Healthy soil is the foundation of sustainable agriculture, and organic farming is particularly effective in promoting soil health. Organic practices such as crop rotation, cover cropping, and reduced tillage help maintain soil structure, improve water retention, and prevent erosion. By enhancing soil organic matter through composting and the incorporation of plant residues, organic farming restores soil fertility and supports the growth of healthy crops without the need for chemical fertilizer. In addition, organic farming plays a critical role in mitigating climate change by promoting carbon sequestration. Healthy, organic soils act as carbon sinks, capturing atmospheric carbon dioxide and storing it in the soil. This not only reduces the greenhouse gas emissions associated with conventional farming but also enhances the resilience of agricultural systems to climate change. One of the key principles of organic farming is the promotion of biodiversity. Organic farms tend to host a greater diversity of plant and animal species compared to conventional farms. This biodiversity helps maintain ecological balance, making organic farms more resilient to pests, diseases, and extreme weather events. For example, organic farmers often use agroforestry techniques, where trees are integrated into crop and livestock systems. This practice enhances biodiversity, improves soil fertility, and provides habitat for beneficial wildlife such as pollinators and predators of pests. By restoring ecosystems and enhancing biodiversity, organic farming contributes to the long-term health of the environment. While organic farming presents many environmental benefits, it also faces challenges, especially in the context of global food demand and the growing population. Some of the key challenges include, organic farming can sometimes result in lower yields compared to conventional farming, particularly in the short term. This has led to concerns about whether organic farming can produce enough food to meet the demands of a growing global population. Intensive practices. Organic farming requires more labor and knowledge-intensive management compared to conventional methods. For example, organic farmers need to manually control weeds and pests rather than relying on chemicals. This can increase the cost of organic produce and limit its accessibility to consumers. Despite the growing demand for organic products, organic farming still represents a small fraction of global agriculture. Many organic farmers face challenges in accessing markets and receiving fair prices for their products. There is also a lack of infrastructure and policy support in many regions to facilitate the transition to organic farming. Despite these challenges, there are significant opportunities to scale organic farming and promote sustainability in the agricultural sector. These include, governments can play a crucial role in supporting organic farming by providing subsidies, technical assistance, and infrastructure for organic farmers. For example, policies that promote organic certification, market access, and research into organic farming techniques can help scale the sector, increasing consumer awareness of the environmental and health benefits of organic food is driving demand for organic products. As consumers become more conscious of the impact of their food choices, there is an opportunity for organic farmers to capture a larger share of the market. Advances in organic farming techniques, such as precision agriculture and agroecological approaches, can help improve the productivity and efficiency of organic farms. Research into soil biology, plant breeding, and pest management can also help organic farmers overcome some of the challenges associated with lower yields and labor-intensive practices. In the context of pollution explosion and environmental degradation, organic farming presents a viable and sustainable alternative to conventional agriculture. By reducing chemical inputs, promoting soil health, and enhancing biodiversity, organic farming can help mitigate pollution and restore ecosystems. While challenges remain, the growing demand for organic products, coupled with supportive policies and innovations in farming techniques, offers a path towards a more sustainable and resilient agricultural system. Organic farming, when practiced at scale, can be a key component of the global response to pollution, climate change, and food security challenges. Thanks a lot for joining us today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. Do not forget to comment, which are very valuable to us. Please do not forget press subscribe button to motivate us.